Hello, my name is Hira Shraf. Today I'm going to present my final report on my subject innovation and entrepreneurship. The topic is Industry 4.0. So, what is Industry 4.0? Industry 4.0 is a fourth industrial revolution characterized by the integration of digital technologies, automation, data exchange, and artificial intelligence in manufacturing and other countries and other industries. This is a policy initiated by the government of Malaysia. They wanted to compete. They wanted to remain competitive in the global market by leveraging the technology and the digital transformation. The main objectives of this were to increase productivity and efficiency, increasing innovation, enhancing competitiveness, creating high skills jobs, sustainability, digital transformation. Because they wanted to remain in the global market, so they had to focus. So they had to transform their oil industries from offline to online. As After COVID, there is a transaction in our oil industries, and we have to follow that rule. That was their main purpose. And why this all of the things they have did is because they wanted to create some enhancement in their industries, and the government actually encouraged other peoples by giving them some policies and strategies, and they also have given them some incentives and some other things, so that people can invest their businesses in revolving them into industry 4.0 and creating new technologies. So our main purpose today was how this industry is going to impact entrepreneurship in the next 10 years. That was the main purpose of this report. So first of all, this industry is ever evolving. Initiative is to set to play a pivotal role in shaping entrepreneurship over the last 10 years. This forward-thinking policy launched by the Malaysian government is designed to promote the adoption of Industry 4.0 technologies and principles among manufacturers, and in doing so, is poised to drive transformation changes in entrepreneurship ecosystem. There are some points that I have discovered during my research that can help this Industry 4.0 shape our next 10 years. So first of all, this what this will do is it's a starter for technological innovation. As we all know, technology is ever evolving each and every day. There is always something new that is happening in this universe. So we had to keep up ourselves, and that was the main purpose of this policy. And so this is what I have discovered and discussed in this point that. Technological innovation means innovation in manufacturing technologies that as we all know that IoT, Internet of Things, artificial intelligence and automation is a trend these days. This policy wanted to encompass all of these concepts and wanted to integrate all of them into their industries, and then they wanted to keep their system eco, because sustainability is the main issue these days, and we had to keep up with that. And I have checked that how can this 4.0 industries can help new startups to start in the next 10 years. There is this chart that I have created, and then there is technological collaborations, that how this technological innovation can help uh, innovate technological collaboration in all the industries that is presented in Malaysia. So there are these 10 industries that I have found. um, then this is enhanced product development, that it will increase the product development impact on market competitiveness. It will help definitely to compete people in to remain in the industry. And then the second point is increased competitiveness. The Industry 4.0 initiative is poised to specifically impact entrepreneurship in Malaysia over the next 10 years by enhancing the competitiveness of business. Okay. There is a global market penetration, as we have all discussed above, that this policy was to keep the competitiveness in global markets, and they wanted to keep this competitiveness so that they can remain in the industry. And that is this point is being elaborated here, that it global market penetration, that they wanted to remain in the global market, increase export opportunities. Because of this policy, they can create solutions in their country and provide other people's that solutions, and it will increase their export opportunities, competitive pricing, because they have already initialized their policy in their country. So it will be beneficial for them to manage the prices and remain competitive in the industry by giving them by leveraging the initial industry points. And there is a diversion of offerings and increased collaboration as we have discussed above. And then the third point is opportunities for startups. There is a new technology, new policy, and when there is anything new, startups definitely appear from all sides, and that's the main point here. Incentives and sports. The government has, as we have discussed, the government wanted to encourage other people to participate in this industry revolution. So they have given them incentives and sports, and the government is providing them funds so that the many small businesses or big businesses can uh, encompass and can engage themselves in this industry revolution. Then reduced barriers to entry in innovative innovation hubs and incubators, technology driven solutions, access to skill talent. Just like you can see here that there will be loads of startups that have already been started right now because of this policy, and there will be many more to come, just like I have shown you in this table. And then the fourth point is shifting business models. As the traditional model was to to have a store and offline marketing and offline each and everything there was offline. But now because of this technological innovation, there is a shifting in the business models. They want to transform all of their business from offline to online, digital transformation, as we have discussed, data-driven decision making because of big data, automation and robotics, customer centric focus, remote work and collaboration, supply chain optimization, conclusion. Skilled workforce development. Because of this industry enhancement, there will be definitely force workforce and skilled labor availability in education and training programs, and so many points are here again. The sustainable entrepreneurship, because sustainability is driven by the environment, social and economical sustainability, and that is the main influential point for this point. Environmental responsibility, as we all know that we have each one of us has responsibility to keep our environment safe, so they wanted to keep their industry safe because of it. And then consumer demand for sustainability, as we all have already know that our um, world is going in. So, as I was saying, this digital transformation is the main topic. Digital transformation is encouraged by Industry 4.0 will have a profound impact on entrepreneurship, because that is the main purpose of this Industry 4.0. There are lots of inner issues, but this one is the biggest one because industry is evolving from offline to online, from digitization to digitalization, and so on. And so that is what is happening here. The first point in this point is integration of IoT devices. IoT devices means Internet of Things devices and their applications. This is the percentage that will increase by the years. Data analysis and business intelligence. The use of data analysis and business intelligence tools is becoming increasingly common among entrepreneurs. And automation and robotics, that it has been going on for so long, but it's been becoming more apparent these years. Improved customer engagement because of AI. Now they have chatbots and other things like quick customer services, quick responses, and then they have set their algorithms according to the customer needs and necessities. That has improved the customer engagement in almost all kind of platforms because of the digitalization, because of the new technology, industry 4.0, because they have implemented that in all of their life. And same goes with supply chain optimization. Supply chain can be in any industry and any company. So that has been improved because of the AI and business intelligence. So this is the conclusion that Industry 4.0 is extremely going to be great for entrepreneurs in the next 10 years. Cybersecurity and challenges and opportunities. As the industry is going, cybersecurity threats are also increasing because this industry is new, and the threats are becoming more apparent these days, because we don't have because nobody has ever encountered with these types of activities before. the because of cybersecurity challenges and there are lots of opportunities. People can get into this field because this is a new field, and there is also potential in the jobs and networking, and that is going to help young peoples to have a lot of job opportunities. Demand of cybersecurity solutions, as I have said before, that this is going to be our biggest field up until now. Cybersecurity workforce, now with the increasing of threats, businesses will need the skilled cybersecurity professionals. So that's regulatory compliance. As government respond to cybersecurity challenges, regulations and compliance standards will become more stringent. Entrepreneurs must adopt their operations to comply with these regulations. And risk management has become a crucial part, and there are lots of software tools that is already in the market that are helping companies to grow and manage their work. And conclusion again, cybersecurity challenges and opportunities will significantly impact entrepreneurship in Malaysia over the next decade. Entrepreneurship will face growing threats, but ad can capitalize on the demand of cybersecurity. So that's all from my side. Thank you.